we interrupt this program with a shit break. It's like... He's cutting grass. He just likes cutting grass, so she'd be taking over. I'm about to take out the boxes and stuff, but we stopped and got some donuts. Gonna be like cleaning up and wrapping things up and kind of like getting it more protected and whatnot. See what we got. See what we got. Who the fuck? Don't bite my shit like that. What the fuck, man? These are so fresh. I'm mad I didn't record the spot, but it's a local bakery. They bake them fresh. This shit mad good. I really hope you enjoy this as well. This is like all around stuff and whatnot, because I really want you guys to like get a feel for the channel, get a feel for me. This is what I want to do. I want to vlog. I always want to have the camera with me recording, because it's what I do. I try to create content and it's what I like and it's what I enjoy. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy as well. It's not just gonna be car content stuff, you know, so hope you guys tune in and enjoy regardless.
Oh, what the fuck, Dad?
I'll put this down and start kind of like doing a little bit of things, and I'll update you guys when I feel like something updatable, you know? Be right back. Alright guys, hopefully the quality's still kind of decent. The lighting in here is real fucking shit. I need to buy a new set of like studio type lights. But I think I may start cleaning up this area. Let me just start. Got a little bit of stuff out the way real quick. Gotta stay motivated and do something. So yes, let's crank at some shit. So I'm just sitting here wrapping some stuff up. So I'm gonna leave off right here with this part because I want more bubble wrap and cardboard pieces and stuff to start putting things in boxes like that. I'll come back to you guys when something's updatable and I'm doing something else. You feel me?
Tomorrow.
We get copyrighted. All right, y'all. I kind of forgot to record like the beginning of what I did. So the wheel bearing on the passenger side of the Civic has been real bad for a while. Got real worse lately. I did the axle. It held because, you know, the inner joint and then transmission wise it was real loose. The wheel bearing is howling and growling and
it's in the mood for spooky season.
Yeah, so I ain't trying to get spooky because shit gonna end up getting scary. I got the hub right there. Earlier I just took off the rotor. Luckily my brother had that punch thing. You hit it with a hammer and you know, it turns it for you. That shit was not coming off with a screwdriver, I'm telling you that. Yeah, I had to take off that. ABS wire thankfully came out with ease, didn't have to do no drilling. Yeah, now I gotta take off lug nuts off that, which I'm doing right now. And I thought of the camera, thought about you guys, cause you know, I gotta record some shit. Yeah, doing that, then I gotta get the slide hammer out and try to get that thing off. Right guys, so found the attachment, the foot for the slide hammer, finally, at last. We're gonna attempt to do this on the ground somehow. Joven the homeboy right there, man. Yo.
Yo.
Who needs a vice? Who needs a vice? We're on the car. Hey.
Oh.
That Planet Fitness vice.
No, that's that Big Sky Fitness vice.
Big Sky.
Vice.
8 hours later.
What up, what up, what up? What is going on, guys? Look at these fall vibes, bruh. At least I get to experience some, you know, some of the fall, some of the colors. still before I leave, because I don't think Florida got this type of shit, but he's got his own type of vibe going. It was like nice as hell for like 2 days. Now it's back to this gloomy cold shit. They say the seasonal depression starts, so yeah, everyone's been talking about it in the videos and shit like that. It's a fucking thing in CT. Once this cold weather hits, everyone's even angrier and sadder and miserable.
Motivation seems to just stop.
Yeah, I mean, I was the same way and shit, and like I've been feeling a little fucking weird lately too, and just anxious about the whole move. So with that being said, we're carrying on with this vlog. The wheel bearing thing, I could not fucking finish that shit because we just didn't have a press tool thing. Let's hit the show on the fucking road.
Yes, sir.
I stopped at Harbor Freight and like Dollar Tree and shit. We need cleaning supplies. Got this Maddox bearing race and seal driver set. They're just like handled in the plates. So I don't know. I gotta pop it open and see like how we go and get down to this shit. We still have to figure out the whole grinding the collar thing of the spindle part to be able to put it back on and stuff. We'll see. Yo, what is going on, guys? So to pick up where I left off, Brody came by, we started chilling, and now we're at the shop tackling this wheel bearing thing again. I'm just starting to. She over here brought some home snacks, you know, Takis and sour cream over here, and
Look at that.
fingers and smelling so. Say what up, man. What do they do? They be like, yo, do the intro. What's up, guys? So we got the old mo out, we got the new mo in his hand. If it focuses with the got that new one. I got a AutoZone one, the best aftermarket reviewed one. O'Reilly's had 1-star reviews and all that shit, so it was like 35 bucks, some shit like that. So this is pretty cheap, so not too bad. But wheel bearing jobs are always not the best, and I always seem to have a nice helping hand with it, especially when I'm using these tools and shit. Definitely gonna invest in one of those things, because that Harbor Freight I think it was like $160 opposed to the thing that I just bought. I'm gonna return because I don't think it's really necessary. It's got marked on which side is the ABS sensor side, so it's dummy proof, hopefully. You know the vibes? Who needs a damn air gun and shit, man, when you got some wrist strength right here in the fucking, let's feel that. Yeah, look at that. Starting to get weak. Yeah. Poop yourself a little bit. So, you either got your safety glasses or you got your safety squints. Which one you guys do? Feeling citrusy. See, this is a slit you guys got to put in. Gotta press this shit back into that fucking thing, then we're good. So guys, we got things pressed in, wheel bearing and spindle. Yeah, see, this is how it's supposed to be. Shout out to my brethren, barbarian beach bum over here. Give him a kiss right now. Next morning after the shop, my brother helped me with the hub pressing in the new stuff. Yeah, I'm replacing that now. Kind of nice out. It was a little chillier, but now once you're in the groove, it gets warmer out and the sun's kind of, you know, warming things up. I really need to get that done. Better safe than sorry, especially on a long road trip. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. All right, guys, as you could tell, I got the job done.
One eternity later.
Ain't cleaning up the leaves right now and all that shit. F that. We out of here soon. This ain't my house. We're coming back somewhere along this video. Another day, another clip. So this video is really just prepping to move to Florida, wrapping up everything, packing stuff, making sure the Civic is good. Before I started recording this, 2 minutes before FedEx just came, These are rotors and pads and the ABS sensor for the Honda Civic. Enough talking, let's continue on with the video. I am cleaning up the garage right now. Hope you guys enjoy this video regardless. It hasn't been as exciting lately. I know it's only gonna get better and a lot more crazier and exciting and more videos consistently on like a scheduled basis. Because once we go to Florida, I have a lot more money opportunities, a lot more car opportunities, everything, time, everything. So let's just get started with packing things up, getting everything where it's supposed to be, all my tools and things like that.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.